Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by obtaining your RevAi API key and preparing audio so the service can transcribe reliably. First, copy the key into a secure and variable or secrets manager so you don't hardcode it. Then, convert files to WAV or MP3 and normalize levels. This reduces mistranscriptions. Once done, split very long recordings into chunks under 1 hour to avoid timeouts, and keep each file labeled logically. Make sure to note sample rate and channels, because the API needs that metadata to optimize processing. Next, you upload audio and create a transcription job using the SDK or plain REST calls. Send the file or a public URL to the job's endpoint and include options like language, speaker labels, and desired timestamps. These change output structure. You can either poll the job status with GET requests or supply a callback URL to receive webhook notifications when processing finishes. Once you receive a completed status, request the transcript or captions. Make sure to handle partial results and retry logic for transient network errors. Finally, fetch the completed transcript JSON and apply post-processing. Add punctuation, adjust casing, and map speaker labels to human names if needed. Then align timestamps to your UI or subtitle format and export SRT, VTT, or plain text. Once done, integrate quality checks like confidence thresholds to flag low confidence segments for manual review. If transcripts look wrong, check audio sample rate mismatches, file corruption, or that you haven't hit rate limits. Retry the job after fixing the root cause to avoid repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.